Hi, my name is Giovanni Aguilera. We're over here at Berman Subaru, Chicago. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and replace your engine air filter. We're going to start off with looking for the hood release cable. Next, we're going to start off by finding the hood release. We're going to start off by finding the air box on the vehicle and then releasing the security clips. Next, we're going to push back on the air box and pull up on the air filter. Once you have your new air filter, you're going to press back on the air box, slide the new filter in, and push back on the locking clips. If you need further assistance with your vehicle, please feel free to contact Berman Subaru of Chicago.